class 10th exams are hyped so much. You all are very capable. You are very smart. This exam doesn't define you. Hello, wonderful minds. Welcome back to Wizardly Minds by Sunana channel. So nowadays, you kids are very worried, and even you are scared, you are nervous, or just confused about class 10th board exams. First of all, don't be scared and nervous. Just take a deep breath and focus what you want to do. Most importantly, you have got a back of your parents who are encouraging you at each and every step, right? So first of all, we will discuss nowadays why do we feel anxious about exams? Why? So as we know, the class 10th exams are hyped so much that it's like, oh nahin, our future depends on it, right? हमें कुछ और नहीं सोचता है, only the class 10th, class 10th, class 10th. But the truth is, exams are just one step. They are not going to write a whole story of your life, right? So say here, I'm going to tell you how anxiety shows up. Suppose when you will stare at a mountain, instead of taking that first step ahead, you are just looking at, हाँ मुझे वहाँ पहुँचना है. But what is there in your heart is the anxiety. But what if you started climbing calmly, one step, then how do you feel? Yes, we can reach and we can do anything. हमें मुझे पता है मैं अपने गोल तक पहुँच गई हूँ, right? The main thing is you have to be self-motivated. अरे दूसरों का मत देखो, just focus on your goal. That's it. First thing I need to tell to the parents, you start encouragement. You don't have to conquer the whole world today. You just need to begin. That's a baby steps for you. As we know, time is like just a sand. It slips you in if you let it. But when you will hold it, you will hold it with a plan, you can build an empire. You can build anything, whatever you. But here comes the student's determination and the strategy on which the student has to focus. And most important part of the parent is start supporting, start encouraging your child. Yes, you can do it. Yes, he can do it. Rather than complaining about the child, अरे मेरा बेटा तो पढ़ता ही नहीं है, अरे मेरी बेटी तो पढ़ती ही नहीं है. Stop doing that. Like this, you are making a differences. You are hampering your relations with your child. Then I will give you a very good strategy that how you have to start preparing for your exam class 10th without a stress. You don't have to take a stress. You just have to take a baby steps, and at the end, the time you will reach, the day you will going for the board exams, you will be very confident, and you have to mark my words, but that you have to start preparing for the board exams with me. Start watching my lessons. I am providing each and every topic with you which can come in the exam, and with the experience I am writing each and every part of the chemistry which is legacy. जो मेरा legacy है वो मैं एक एक चीज़ करा रही हूँ जो कि आपको other YouTube channels पे नहीं मिलने वाला है, right? तो start, I am going to give you a good strategy कि how will you start preparing for the बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स. अभी भी टाइम गया नहीं है, बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास. वी हैव एम्पल ऑफ टाइम. इट्स दैट वी जस्ट हैव टू मेक सिंपल प्लान, राइट? The tip number 1 is make a simple plan. You just don't have to wait for a perfect day. अरे आज पंडित जी से हम निकलवा के आएंगे और हमारा दिन अच्छा है. अरे कुछ नहीं. Start preparing from the same day. Make a simple plan. Just write a list. Break the subjects into your weekly goals and start preparing your subjects in which you are weak. So like this, you can do very well at the end. Then now, after making a plan, step number 2 is you just have to understand the concept. You don't have to cram. Like as always, every year physics का paper is like tricky one. उसमें if you are start cramming everything, definitely you will not get a marks. You just have to make it understand. You have to focus on the concepts. Start making diagrams. जो भी chapters में diagram है, start making diagrams. और किसी में workings हैं तो start making flow charts. और सबसे interesting चीज़ I'm going to tell you, that's my past experience. From that I'm going to tell you, start teaching one subject to someone else. Either to your parent, mother, father, और अपने friends को समझा सकते हो. That is the best part. Start engaging yourself. So when you have to teach it to someone else, you start preparing the topic by yourself. आप पहले से प्रिपेयर करोगे, then only you can impart that lesson to a child or your friend or your to mother or your to father, right? So mind it, start teaching one concept to every day to anyone else. बस आपको बैठ के बोलना है, चाहे उसको समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, कोई मतलब नहीं है. If your friend is there, that he should understand, right? Then tip number 3 is you have to make a 1 hour a day rule. That 1 hour a day rule, people start asking, ma'am, 1 hour day rule क्या है, हम कैसे करें? बंद हो जाओ एक रूम के अंदर where there is no distraction. Start locking yourself in one room. But ऐसे नहीं है कि फांसी लगाने के लिए लग रहे हो. Preparing for the board exam, right? So you just have to focus with 1 hour, totally focused on that subject. That 1 hour is enough to build a momentum. You will start, you are going to start sit for a long hour study. बहुत बच्चों को long hour बैठने की आदत नहीं होती है, तो start making a 1 hour rule. After 10 days, 1.5 hour. After 20 days, 30 days, start sitting for 2 hours. Then like this, at the end आके you will definitely sit for 5 hours. अभी से कोई नहीं बोल रहे बैठो, but focus 1 hour to a full dedication to it. Whatever you are doing, you have to fully concentrate on it, right? Then tip number 4 is you have to be very curious. You have to stay curious all the time. Start asking questions from the teacher. Connect the topics which you are studying in the physics or whatever subject you are, start it to real life. And like this, you will find it that learning become fun, not a fearful. It will be fun for you. And like this, you will start loving that subject. And then you will say, नहीं यार, मुझे तो इसमें 100 लेके ही आना. Like this, you will get motivated, right? Next, tip number 5. Fifth number is take it out. What you have to, people are asking, ma'am, क्या निकालें हम? अरे stress, the biggest fear is the stress. What is there in your mind? मतलब आपको रात में नींद नहीं आ रही है, अरे इतना चैप्टर पढ़ा. Be calm, कोई बात नहीं. Stress always grows when you stay silent. Start speaking to your friend, sibling, or any teacher. Take guidance from a tuition teacher. Take guidance from a teacher, school teachers. They will definitely help you. अगर मम्मी पापा की बात नहीं समझ आती, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Ask your teacher. Definitely teachers will understand you very well. They can plan a small planner for you. They can tell you what strategy you have to follow. So all these things, if you will not say, if you will stay silent, it will definitely grow. अंदर ही अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा. But that stress, we have to take it out. Shout. अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, shout. Close the door and shout. Like this, your stress will come out. Either you go and play some sports. Definitely, your stress will come out. Right? So, I know kids, you all are very capable. You are very smart. And you all are my kids. And I'm going you to make stronger than you think. So, like this exam doesn't define you. Your effort is going to define. Most important is your effort. So why not start from today only while others are doubting ourselves? Yeah, others are doubting themselves. Start ignoring the words what other people are saying. As we know, time won't stop for anyone else. But success definitely waits for those who prepare well. That is your story and you have to write it by yourself in the way you want. Right? So all my kids, all are motivated today and start preparing your board exams from by today itself. Don't think for tomorrow. So if this helped a little bit to you, like give it a like, share with a friend who is worried, and yes, one thing, hit that subscribe button for more mind boosting content. So we at Wizardly Mindset Sunaina, we are building confidence only one video at a time. So until next time, keep learning, keep believing, and keep shining. So bye bye for now. Bye kids.